Hi everyone, welcome to What Watch to Wear. Today we're going to go over some tools that you will need to adjust your watch links so to fit your wrist properly. We're going to go over the tools that you're required to change your bands and everything. So anyhow, this set that you're looking at in front of you, I got this off of Amazon. It's a cheap set for $10.96, and for what you get, I think it's a pretty nice set. First you get your link press, to get your link pin press to get your pins out of your watch. So for your link adjustment, which is, it's a little cheapy one. It came with it, but it does the job. It also came with 4 replacement pins. So if it bends on you or breaks on you, you get 4 replacement ones. You also get a hammer. It's a nylon on one end and metal on the other, as you can see here. So nylon so you don't mar your watch when you're putting pins back in, and metal for using the punches for when you take the pins out. Right here, these are the punches. It came with 3 punches. It came with a watch jeweler's block for setting your watch in there sideways, and you can see here that each one of these grooves is a different width for different width watch bands that you would be working on. Then it came with a spring tool, and on this end you can see there you have the spring tool remover there, and over here you have a smaller one. That's a grooved edge there. That's not a micro screwdriver or anything. I think you guys can see that grooved edge right there. Okay. It also came with 3 replacement of the bigger spring tool heads, and then it also came with 3 smaller spring tool heads. And I'll show you that here. So here's the 3 smaller ones here. Now these are reversible. You can actually reverse on here. You can reverse on here, and you have a push pin. So if you just wanted to manually, by hand, push your pins out of your watch, you can. So if your watch would allow for that. Some watches are just too tight. And then here it came with a bunch of replacement stainless steel spring bars. And it came with different sizes. It came with them all the way down to, what is that? It came from 8mm all the way up to 25mm. And so, that's a pretty good range of spring bars. And here's your little 8mm, and here's your 25s. Now, the bigger the spring bars, those are usually used on Seiko watches. Seikos usually take a bigger spring bar. But like I said, I got every bit of this, and it came with a little, cheap plastic case to keep it all in. Came with all that for $10.96 on Amazon. Now, I will leave a link in the description below so that if you decide you wanted to get one of these, you can. On another note, I did get another pen press link pen remover here, and this one I paid $11.11 for. And I bought this one because I saw it had actually a clamp to hold your watch in place, plus your press for your pins. And it's just a little cheap one too. As you can see, these are a little wobbly. These are what you use to adjust the height in case you need it to sit higher or lower or whatever when you're pushing your pins out. Anyhow, like I said, I got this for $11.11 off of Amazon. So I'll leave a link for it in the description below too if you're interested in one like this. But this is just the basic tools that you would need to get you by with, watch band replacement, link removal, to put links back in, your micro adjustments on your clasps so that you can get your watch to fit properly and everything. So anyhow, like I said, $10.96 for the kit, $11.11 for the extra pen press, and both of them off Amazon. So anyhow, that's all I had for you for today. So like I said, I'll leave links in the description below, and I get all my watches from Watch Gang. I'll leave a link to Watch Gang in the description below, and if you like the video, please subscribe, like, leave a comment in the section below. Other than that, you guys have a great day. Goodbye.